Hi everyone, this is Mr. King. Hope everyone's doing well. I miss seeing your bright and shining faces coming up the stairway every morning, but I hope you're safe and I hope everyone you know is healthy. So today I'm going to show how to create your own mailbox. This is something for scholars and for parents or family members that they can do with their scholars to get motivated to do their work. I would recommend this for the younger grades, kindergarten, first or second. This is something I've done to motivate my scholars to get to do their work, and it's something small, but something that works really well. So to create your own mailbox, I'm going to show you 3 different quick ways of materials you could use at home. One is a 2-pocket folder like this. It has to have the pouch right here. The first method is you're going to actually take your scissors and cut halfway up through here. I already have an orange folder I cut in half like this. The pouch is facing this way. This is something simple. You're going to label it. They could write their name with a marker. They could do it with pen. So I put Mr. King's mailbox, but have your scholar or yourself write this down, and they could decorate up here at the front, so they could put stickers on it. If you have any stickers, they could use colored pencils, crayons, whatever you have that's accessible at home, a pencil, and draw pictures. And then you create the flag, which is the most engaging part. So I have pipe cleaner. If you don't have pipe cleaner at home, you could cut a small strip of paper and you could have them color it red, or you could just rigger white, and you actually tape it to the back. You do not decorate the back part of the mailbox without the pouch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape this pipe cleaner on, put it in the back, and then you have your own flag. So what you do to get your scholar motivated to do their work is you put the work before they come over to see what they have to do in the mailbox pouch to get them excited. You say, what are we gonna do let's see what the mailman or the mail person brought you today. And you're gonna put that in there, and they're gonna come and check the mail, and always make sure to put the flag up. That's the most engaging piece. So when there's no mail, they know to keep the flag down. But when there's mail, you're gonna put the flag up for them. And when they come and get the mail, you have to remind them, so that there's no mail left, to put their flag down. Something really engaging. Make sure you're using a positive voice. Other things simple things you could use is you could use a shoebox. You could decorate the outside with crayons, pencils. You could just put it in the area of the house that's most reachable for them. Fold up the papers and put them in there. Or you could use a simple Tupperware container. You could, once again, draw on the outside, one that you don't want to use, and then you would just fold up and put the paper in there, and you could make a little makeshift flag. This is a really fun activity. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Once again, I hope everyone's well, and I hope to see everyone soon. Thanks.